on, everyone? Got a 2022 Jeep Gladiator. This is how you reset the oil life. All right. So I do have the car running right now, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll up and down. All right. You need to be on the screen or menu number 2. Okay. Which is vehicle info. Then you need to go over to the right or the left until you actually see the oil life right here. So this one's at 71%, but we just did an oil change on this car. It says press and hold OK. All right, so if you press OK and hold it, it says you need to turn the car off. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the car off. Foot off the brake, hit it twice. Put it in the run position. Now the screen will pop up, go through the little menus, and it will go right back to oil life. Press OK real quick and get through that. And now we can press and hold OK, and it'll reset to 100%, and that's it. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment if you could. I hope to see you in another video.